Hello everyone, I have another unboxing. This time it's not a diamond painting or polymer clay. This one is brand new to me. I am so pumped. Here's what I did, y'all. During the AliExpress sale, the 11/11 sale, same one where I bought that polymer clay, I also purchased my very first cross stitch. Yep, I finally did it. Here's what I know about cross stitch, y'all. I know Miss Crochet and Coffee crotch stitches. I know Rachel Ray does. And you do something with a needle and some thread. That's it. That's what I know. Haha. But I had to give it a try. I'm a craft gal. I wanted to try stuff out. I don't know the first thing on how to do it. I'm going to have to do some research and find some YouTube videos out there, some tutorials, because I know not the first thing. Nothing. So this is an unboxing, but I will tell you up front, it's not going to be a review informative unboxing because I have no idea what kind of tools, what elements, what different things are going to be in here. Never ordered one, never even seen one in person. Just saw pictures. That's it. So I will tell you that I purchased it from AliExpress on the 11/11 sale, like I said. The store name on AliExpress is called Joy Sunday Factory Store. Okay, and when I ordered it, there were a few different options, and I picked the 14 C counted product. There's either a stamped product or a counted one, and I was told counted ones were easier, so 14 counted. And it's this really, really, really cute fox. So, just a second, let me get my scissors here and look it in. Now, when I purchased this on AliExpress during the 11/11 sale, I paid, one second here, I purchased it for $3.92. And looking at the description here, now it's listed for $4.33 without the sale. I don't really know if I consider that a sale, but whatever. It's marketing. They say the word sale, and everyone like me jumps on it. Ooh, it's on sale, I gotta have it. Okay, very first cross-stitching experience. All right, that's all that's in the bag. There's the fox. Oh, he's just so cute. Oh, I love all the colors. I hope you guys can see that okay. Oh, this is so pretty. So the description also said DMC, which is like, I know diamond painting, like the back of my hand. So I'm guessing that there's a DMC codes for same for cross stitching. I don't know for sure. Again, this is not an informational video, not at all. This is more Ashley's discovered cross stitching unboxing video type thing. Yeah. So let's take this out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, instructions. 14 count, 2 strands, 22 by 30 centimeters. Okay, let's see what I got myself into. Kerwin says, oh yeah, that's all you need is another craft. And I'm like, thank you for agreeing with me. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff in here. Hold on. How cool that it comes in this little bag though. Little button bag. Here we go. Slide that on out of there. Okay, this looks like a butt. Oh, there's the head. Wait, how did... oh my gosh. See, I don't even know what any of this is. This looks like cheesecloth. Just kidding, it's a little thicker. See, I don't even know what to do with this, guys. Ooh, what's this? I don't know what any of this is. This looks like one of those things that you wrap thread around. Yeah, like a place keeper thingamajig. Yeah. Let's see. I do not have any idea what this gadget is. A hook, maybe? Oh. Aw, and is this so I don't stab myself? Just kidding, I have no idea what this is. Alright, that's what it came with. Now, don't worry. We're gonna look at all the other stuff too. Kind of looks like one of those things that you had to reset your little toys with. You know those little dot things? Like those little pokers that you had to press in the reset button? The itsy bitsy reset button? I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. When you had the Kawasaki, you know, those little pet toys? I know what I'm talking about, I just don't know the words. Words are hard. Okay, there's that. I got a head. And I got a butt. All right. Ooh, what's this? Oh, good, they're instructions. That'll come in handy. Ooh, that looks like a diamond painting. You put the lime in the coconut. That's not what it says, I was just kidding. So this is definitely gonna probably take me some time. Oh, here's where it starts. Step number 1. So it might be confused. Oh wait, they're both step number 1. Fold the fabric in half. Feel free to find number, symbol, I don't know. That looks like diamond painting. I don't know. All right, now I have this thing. So I guess there's 13 colors, 14 count, 2 thread, whatever that means. And then it has, oh, needles. Needles, I got 2 needles. Watch out, guys. Ashley's got sharp objects. So how do you... Yeah, I don't have any clue. Oh, there's numbers on here. Okay. So I probably have to... That's probably what they meant by counting. I gotta count all these spaces. And then do... Okay. Maybe. Ooh, 310. I know that. Black stitch. It says 310 here. And then there. On diamond paintings, this is probably a special drill. I don't know what the heck this is. Interesting. All right, well, I'll probably do some research and try to figure this stuff out. I don't even know how to thread. I don't even know how to thread this stuff. Go up and then down, maybe? I don't know. I will probably watch some tutorial videos. I think somebody said Miss Crochet and Coffee has a couple. So I'll probably go check her out because I think she's funny anyway. And I can relate because I'm funny. I think I'm funny. Anyway, I will probably post another video when I figure out the basics of it. Just of me working on it for the first time. If I could ever stop playing with this, like this is hair. Like one of the things that I'm wondering about is if it's like diamond paintings where you store your drills, because I'm gonna lose these like quick, fast, and in a hurry. If my kitten sees these, they're gone. It's over. That's it. That's all she wrote. My fox will probably turn out to be a depressed bear of some kind. I don't know. But like I said, as soon as I get the basics, I will probably post like a whip and chat or a stitch and chat, whatever you call it. Oh, floss tube. I'm probably not on that level yet. Just to let you know how I like it and what's going on, if I've learned the basics and what those doohickeys are. But yeah, that's it for this one. Nice and short and sweet. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any cross-stitching tips for beginners, definitely comment below, because I could probably use as many tips as possible. Again, I don't even know step one, so yeah, let me know if you have any tips and tricks for beginners. And thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already and you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. If you enjoyed the video, also give it a big old thumbs up. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy your night.